In front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by launching Play Store and getting this app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps. Then you need to scroll to click on Default Apps and select Home App. To apply iOS Launcher, click on Launcher Pro and wait. Tap on Allow All in the pop-up. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes to it, just open Launcher app and adjust whatever you want to. To go back to your standard launcher, go back to the same settings and tap on Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!